Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how to download and install Python in Windows 10 operating system. Let's quickly open the browser and go to the Python official webpage. Mm, Click download window here and scroll down, and if your computer is 64-bit then download it. If your computer is 32-bit then download this. So I download it. Yeah, it is downloaded. So I open it. Yeah, and don't forget to add Python 3.8 to path and install now. And it's installing. Wait for it to install. It takes time. Mm, yeah, it is successfully installed. Let's check. Open your command prompt and type Python -vir-sion version. You can see our Python version is 3.8.5. Let's open Python IDE and yeah, it took time. Then you can check print. Yeah, you can see our code is successfully executed. So thank you for watching, guys. If you have any problem or confusion, then don't forget to comment down below, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please help me.